Okay, so we are going to come to our group activities. Yeah, we will have a break. But let me assign the teamwork for you, and then you have 10 minutes break, okay? So that's what I did in the last 70 minutes is about course overview. And now you have a little bit idea of what we will be doing throughout the semester. And rest of the time is the week 1 content. So week 1 reading is chapter 1 and chapter 2. And plus a reading called Educational Technology, a Question of Meaning. And I want you to, in the next 1 hour, actually in the next 50 minutes, I want you to work in your group. One person is responsible for 1 reading. That is 3 readings, right? And you have 2 more students. You can be explorers to go out and find relevant information that I asked you to engage for your group. Okay. And every group, for example, these questions, the first group 1 question is, what is technology? What is the meaning of the term technology as used in the field of instructional technology? How has the definition of instructional technology evolved since early 1900s? And then what are the main focus areas, general membership profiles, and conferences of AECT, which is the biggest professional organization in our field. So I want you to, as a group, to answer this. And the second group has the same questions on the first 2. So there is a small competition going on, okay? 2 groups doing one thing in terms of the technology and definition of instructional technology. But what you do here is different. In terms of AECT, you will go out to find the main publications. What are the major journals? And which journals do you recommend your peers, your classmates to read? And the third group, the Twisted Misters, you will generate your group definition of instructional technology. Okay. Compare your own definition with other definitions discussed in the readings to convince the class why yours is best. That's why your group should read all 3 articles. Each group needs to read all 3 articles. Plus, you will do outside searching and then answer the question. The group 3 will do what are the main focus areas, same thing for ASTD, which is called American Society for Training and Development, which is another professional organization in our field. And you will also need to come up with journal recommendations. And group 4 will do the same activity for the number 1 activity, and then in terms of the professional organization is AACE, is Association for the Advancement of Computing in Education, and you will find out relevant information about that. And the 5th group, the IELTers, will answer these questions. What is instructional design? What are the critical elements in the instructional design process that seems to be accepted by consensus? What are the distinguishing characteristics of the instructional design process? After that, you will find Society for Information Technology and Teacher Education, that professional organization, and give us what you found about that. And then the international authors will have the same questions, but will do research on International Society for Performance Improvement. That is another one in our field that you want to be aware of. And what you do, you will work in a group for 50 minutes, and then come up with an 8 to 10 minutes presentation. You have 8 to 10 minutes presentation to present here as a group. Use PowerPoint or other applications as needed, and then everyone presents. If you have 5 people here, probably each person have 1 to 2 minutes to talk about some portion of your work. And then focus on the topic. When you are working group, do not try to chat other stuff. I mean, I know it's valuable to chat other stuff, families, hobbies, but today probably you don't have time to do that. We will leave that Sunday, okay? So when you come up in here, talk, you speak clearly, speak, you manage your time effectively. You just have 8 to 10 minutes for each group, okay?
When is it due?
Now.
So it's now.
2 o'clock.
So you have 15 minutes, and I will give you information here. Group 1. Who is group 1? Group 1 instruction. Group 2.
Right here.
Group 2 instruction. Thank you.
Thank you.
Group 3.
Oh, I know I can't stop that.
Group 4. Right here.
Oh, that's even worse.
Yeah, you can reach it. Group 5.
Oh, okay.
Group 5.
Here. Thank you.
Group 6.
I am.
Okay.
We are.
So, as a group, do your stuff and come back here and start presenting on 10 past 10. Okay? 10 past 11. 10 past 11.